Okay, so today's exit ticket was about composite functions again, and we wanted to find out what f of g of 2 is if f of x equals 3x minus 2 and g of x equals x times the quantity 2x plus 3. So here's how we do it. First we look at our actual problem. We see that the inside is g of 2, and we always want to do the inside first, then the outside. So we see g of 2, and that tells us that we want to look at the g equation, and for every x that we see, we're going to replace it with this 2 right here. So we look at this, that's going to be a 2, that's going to be a 2. So let's start with that g of 2. So we get g of 2 is equal to 2 times 2 plus 3, close parentheses. We're going to use our order of operations here. So inside the parentheses first, 2 times 2 is going to give me 4 plus 3. That's going to equal 2 times 7. That's going to equal 14. So we know that 14 is g of 2, which means we can rewrite this whole thing as f of 14. Okay, and remember, f of x equals 3x minus 2. So let me rewrite that on this page. So remember, f of x was equal to 3x minus 2. So now we have f of 14, so we just have to finish the job. F of 14 tells us to look at the f equation, and we want to replace each x with this number 14 right here. So let's write that out. F of 14 is equal to 3 times 14 minus 2. So that's going to equal 3 times 14 is 42. Subtract 2, it's going to equal 40. So our final answer is, remember, we have to go back to our beginning question. And our beginning question was, what is f of g of 2? And that is the answer, 40. So what we did, we, just as a recap, we found out what g of 2 was, we plugged that answer into the f equation, and then we got 40. And that was our answer. And that is the explanation to today's exit ticket.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.